Jay Leshark here for 5-Star Marine. So, today is the 31st of July. Now, not only does that mean it's the last day of July, it also means that Maya Bay Beach is closing. That's right, as of tomorrow, the 1st of August, you are not allowed to step foot on Maya Bay Beach. So, we got up at stupid o'clock this morning and headed down here to come and check it out for the last day. And you're coming with us. Well, you already are with us. Anyway, there you go. Let's go to the beach. Woo-woo! So we just arrived at Maya Bay, Confused with us, and he's done a really good job because he's negotiated very, very well. Well done, Confused. Right, we seem to be the only people here. 7:36 in the morning. Maya Bay doesn't open till 8, so we thought we'd get here early, so we'd be the only people on the beach. Didn't quite work out, did it? Oh well. Let's go. Welcome to Maya Bay Beach. Last day, baby. New stairs. That's good on the last day. I've just discovered they got new stairs. So when it opens in 2 months' time, we've got some nice stairs. Although they're a little bit short. They're not. So, the famous Maya Bay from the Beach movie. That's right, no one heard of it until 2000, 2001. The movie didn't do very well at the box office, but it's my favourite movie, and this is my favourite beach. But it's the last day today, 31st of July. It is closing for 2 months. So, gonna have a little look. There's people here though, that's the only problem. Thought we'd come early, but there's people here. But that's all right. People in bikinis, which is always good. And handsome men too. I don't mind either or. What are you doing? You're following me. Come on, babe. One of my favourite things about this beach is all the different poses that people do. You've got ladies sat down, she's doing a little pose with a hand up. You've got bikinis, clenching her butt cheeks to make sure it's nice and tight. There's people down there, all sorts of things going on. Right, have a look without me and check it out. Look, beach book. The cover, look, it's almost the same. It's not really, is it? Closed up. They closed that up for the movie. But look, look at that, isn't it? Maya Bay. So, each and every year, it's shut for 2 months. So that's from the 1st of August right through. So it's August and September it's closed for, and it reopens on the 1st of October. Why? Well, years and years and years ago, people were allowed just to come on here and there was boats everywhere in the bay. It was horrible. And just after COVID, was it just before COVID? I can't quite remember. Anyway, at one point they said, that's enough's enough. We're not going to do it anymore. We're going to shut the bay completely. And it was shut for 2 years. And then they made these new rules where boats couldn't come in the front. They had to go to the back end. Hey! Everyone loves going in the back end. And so now, and they limit the numbers of people that can go on the beach, which is a good thing. It's a good thing, and then for the next 2 months they're going to analyse the effects of the tourism on the bay. And so far, for the last few years, it's been really good. The sharks have come back, corals come back, the bay's tidied up. It's pretty cool. And that's why shutting Maya Bay, just the beach, is a good thing. Isn't it? Yes, it is.
The closing of Maya Bay wasn't about just saving the beach, it was about bringing life back. The black-tip reef sharks returned. These sleek, graceful creatures had vanished due to the overcrowding and the boat traffic, but with peace and time, they've come home. So when you look close at the shoreline, you might spot the young ones. They're pretty fast and they're not that big, and also they're sand yellow, so hard to see them because they're camouflage. But once you do see them, you'll notice they're only a few metres from your feet. And Maya Bay is now not just a tourist destination, it's a nursery. A safe space for sharks to be born, grow and thrive.
So, as I've told you many times, the beach is one of my favourite movies of all time. That and Hannibal Lecter, in fact all of the 3 Hannibal Lecters. But the beach is right up there. The soundtrack, the movie, everything about it I love. And I'm gonna now recreate a scene from the movie, and hopefully our amazing editor Miguel can put something together to make it look really cool. Are you bang-a-lang and ding-dongs behind the camera? I told her to use a tripod, but she's not. Are you ready? I'm about to do it, okay? Here we go! So, the first question I'm going to answer is why have I changed shirts? Well, just so happens this is our new uniform for 2025-2026 season. Rocking it, baby. Look, designed by, in fact, this design was done by my kids that I used to teach at Head Start. Thanks, guys, and look on the back. Stars, baby. Although I think they look like snowflakes. Anyway, Maya Bay Beach, closing for 2 months, and it's a good thing. There are still plenty of other places you can go, and you can still visit Maya Bay from the front side, which was the intro. That's where we did the intro. You just can't come on the beach for 2 months. Give it time, let it chill, let it relax, let it reconnect with nature and all that jazz. Right, better go now because it's starting to get busy and we've got to go to other places, and Bang-a-lang Ding Dong is trying to struggle holding the camera. Right, thanks for watching, peace! So, Maya Bay Beach. It is very cool. That's it really, to come down here to see what it's all about. No, I don't want to say see what it's all about. Iconic Maya Bay. Why is it iconic? Because, ding dong.